Carl here. Carl, C. You know what I'm saying. You know what? I don't know how I got involved in this whole thing. You know, Detective Slow is calling me. I'm trying to play some Fortnite and he's asking me all these questions about this Timothy Petalcoat guy. You know what? I don't even know why he's got my number. My channel is not about any of this sort of thing. You know what? If you want to know what my channel is all about, psh. You know what? It just takes too much energy for me to have to tell you. You're just gonna have to come by and check it out. But I don't know what this Timothy Petalcoat guy is. I never met the guy. I don't know what he's talking about. I don't know who this Detective Slow is. I just want to play some Fortnite, you know what I'm saying? My mom makes me come out here, sit in this damn garage because she wants me to find my adventure. You know, I got better things to do. That's all I'm saying. I never even heard of this Timothy Petalcoat guy.
Yeah, but Carl, we just got a package from a Timothy Petalcoat.
A package? Shh. Bring it here, Moms. Come on. Come on. Alright, let's see this. Look at this. A package from Timothy Petalcoat. I don't even know who that is. Obviously, it's a very quiet package. I hope there's a meal and a fish in this package. Then Timothy Petalcoat would be one of my favorite people. What is this? What? I don't understand. You know what I would enjoy? If Timothy Petalcoat would send me something of value, like a meal and a fish, or some of those cool bears that taste like fruit. What the heck is this? Now, if you want to find out more about what this might mean, maybe you should ask TWG7. I'm relatively certain that the link will be right here, or maybe right here. I don't know. Why would I care? I don't know anything about this. Who even got me involved in this? I would enjoy something better than a stupid sheet of paper in a giant box that just says I enjoy. That's all I'm saying. Come on, man. Psh. If you have any questions for me, or Detective Slow preferably, because I don't even know what this is all about. I'm just trying to play some Fortnite, live my life. You know what I'm saying? Psh. You can leave the comments down below, and you can ask them whatever you want, man. Just leave me out of it. And also, don't hesitate to like this video, subscribe to my channel. You know, why not, right? Right? I know, you know, I know. It's all about the C, the Carl. Subscribe to the channel. Check me out. Leave a comment for Captain Slow, Detective Slow, whatever. I guess he wants to find out who did something to whatever somebody did something to. I don't know. I just want to play some Fortnite, you know? So, Captain Slow, good luck in solving the case. And we're going to now find something else to do, like play some Fortnite, or maybe get a jacket, because it's getting a little cold out here. Moms! Where's my jacket?